REST web services. A web service is just a web page meant for computer to request and process. This figure shows how web service works. Now you can see the web service architecture. There are two different architectures, external and internal. Web service require an architectural style to make sense of them. Web page is a representation of a resource. Resources are just concepts. REST is representational state transfer and architectural style. It is not a toolkit. REST is not a standard. You will not see the W3C putting out a REST specification. You will not see IBM or Microsoft or Sun selling a REST developers toolkit. REST is defined. Resources are identified by uniform resource identifier and manipulated through their representations. REST have several styles: client server, stateless, cached, uniform interface, and layered system. REST is the post-hoc description of the web. Its methods are defined well enough to get work done. It's possible to apply REST concepts to other protocols and systems. There are many advantages of REST. Scalable component interaction and general interfaces are some of them. Also, it supports intermediaries as data transformation and caching components. Also, it separates severe implementation from the client's perception of resources. This figure shows application integration style of REST. REST is in a sense a piece of RPC. Expect the methods have been defined in advance. The differences between RPC and REST can be quite subtle. There are several characteristics of REST web services: client server, stateless, cache, named resources, interconnected resource representations, layered components. There are principles of REST web service design. The key to creating web services in a REST network is to identify all the conceptual entities that you wish to expose as services. Above we saw some examples of resources: parts list, detailed part data, purchase order. Principles of REST web services design. There are some more principles. Conclusion: this article described REST as an architectural style. In fact, it's the architectural style of the web. REST describes what makes the web work well. Adhering to the REST principles will make your services work well in the context of the web.